Alright, so I've removed the battery, get it out of all that mess, and it just slides in there. So all I did is remove the positive and negative cable and slide it right out. Started putting the carburetors back in. So I've just got those two cables, well, these three cables on, that being the third, and I'm just working my way back. Okay, so I've got the fourth cable on. I'll put this electrical connector, slid that back together. Then also started sliding this rubber hose back on, but I don't quite have enough slack to get that in yet. According to everything else, these just dump off. They don't connect to anything. This one here and this one here. So just look around. Looks like I've got everything connected. So I'm going to go ahead and slide the carbs down into the rubber mounts. Okay, so when I said, just set the carburetors down in there, what I meant was to gently coax them into place. Anyway, now that that's done, we're ready to sit the fuel tank back on top of it. Now, obviously, we have all the other attachments still that have to be connected. And our fuel tank is not 100% done. It's drying right now. I just finished rinsing the rest of that stuff out, but it looks really good. All right, make sure you seat your front carb first and then seat your rear carb. That's it. They're back on there. Now we'll proceed with the hooking the rest of the stuff up, and then as soon as the tank's dry, we'll put it on.